Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grade 11 business mathematics class. So we are learning the fourth chapter trigonometry. That the last section is in the inverse trigonometric functions. So we are learning this inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So in this section exercise. Okay, so in exercise 4 or 5 problems is remaining. So in this today's class we will complete the remaining problems. Up to problem number 5 we have completed. 2 problems I gave homework for you. I hope you all of you completed. Please check down the answers. If you have any doubt you can clarify with me. Okay, so let's start from problem number 6 in exercise 4.4. Question is, evaluate cos of tan inverse of 3 by 4. Second part is sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5. Solution. First one is cos of tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay. So first what will you do? Let's consider this. Let tan inverse of 3 by 4 as theta. In example we have completed. So if you bring this to here, so what will happen? Tan theta equal to 3 by 4. Now you got the value of tan theta. But here cos also we need. So from this we can find the cos value. Cos means what's the meaning, ma'am? 1 by secant theta. We know the formula for secant theta. That is 1 by root of 1 plus tan square theta. Understand? What is this formula? Secant square theta. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. We have learned the formula. So secant theta is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this. So that's equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta means 3 by 4 the whole square. That's equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. Okay. That's equal to 1 by square root of 16 plus 9 by 16. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by 25 by 16 square root of. That's equal to 1 by 5 by 4. If you bring this two up, what will happen? 4 by 5. So what's the value for cos theta? 4 by 5. Now you got the value of cos theta also. Now take down cos of tan inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So that is equal to the RHS. Understand, students? So cos theta. So cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Is it right? So cos of tan inverse, this one you have consider as theta, is it right? So cos theta equal to 4 by 5. Understand? So that's equal to the RHS. Understand, students? All of you got it? Okay. So let's move to next question. Second subdivision. Sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5. So, solution, same as previous problem. Let first you consider this as theta. Okay, let cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equal to theta. So, what's the value for cos theta? 4 by 5. So, sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to sine of, this one you have considered as theta. Okay. Sine of this one as theta. So how much you will get? Theta by 2. That is equal to square root of sine theta. You will write as 1 minus cos theta. Is it right? So here in the place of theta as 2. So theta by 2. Okay. So 1 minus cos theta by 2. So sine theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus, what's the value for cos theta? 4 by 5 divided by 2. That is equal to square root of, take the LCM, 5 minus 4 by 5 divided by 2. That is equal to square root of 1 by 5 divided by 2. So if you bring this 2 up, so what will happen? That is equal to 1 by 1 by root 10. Understand? So sine of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by root 10. This is a required answer. Understand, students? So everything we have completed in same as example. So we will just go through it. Okay. Then next one. I think next problem is some small differences there. Problem number 7. Evaluate cos of sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 12 by 13. Solution. So here you consider theta or anything. So let sine inverse of 4 by 5 you consider as A or B or something. So I am considering as A. Why you have a doubt, ma'am? This till now why you consider as theta, now why you are taking as A and B. That is the meaning is here I am going to consider as A, this is B because of that. Okay. If you are taking as theta, we need to differentiate that, as otherwise theta 1, theta 2 both are correct. So A. So what's the value for sine A? Equal to 4 by 5. From this cos we need to find. So cos we need to find means let us consider one right angle triangle. So here A I am considering as angle. Opposite side by hypotenuse, is it right? So opposite side is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. So this one you need to find. So how will you do? Square root of 5 square minus 4 square, that's equal to 25 minus 16. That's equal to square root of 9 equal to 3. So what's the value for cos A? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Next one is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now 3 by 5. So this is a cos A value. Okay. So then again you consider let sine inverse of 12 by 13. Is it right? 12 by 13 is equal to B. So from this sine B equal to what's the value? 12 by 30. So consider one right angle triangle and find out cos B also there. So I'm going to consider one right angle triangle again. So this is B. So 12 by 13 is it right? 12 by 13. So this side we need means root of 13 square minus 12 square. So that's equal to root of 169 minus 144. That's equal to root of 25 equal to 5. Is it right? So it is 5. So what's the cos B value here? 5 by 30. Okay. So now from this you know sin B equal to 12 by 30. Cos B equal to how much? 5 by 30. Now take down the question. Cos of sine inverse of 4 by 5 plus sine inverse of 12 by 13. So you know the formula for cos of A plus B. What's the formula for cos of A plus B? Last exercise you have learned. What's the formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What's the formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. So we are going to substitute this formula. Cos of A plus B. The meaning is cos of A plus B. So what's the formula? Cos A cos B. Is it right? So cos A cos B means what will I write? Cos A. So cos of 4 by 5. Is it right? So like that you need to write. Okay. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B plus cos of A plus B. So cos of A cos A. What's the value for cos A? C and A cos A is 3 by 5 into what is cos B value? 5 by 13 minus sin A value 4 by 5. Sin B 12 by 13. Just to simplify, 15 by 65 minus 4 12s are 48 by 65. If you subtract, you will get minus 33 divided by 65. Understand? This is the required answer. Okay. Have you understand? Okay. Then problem number 8. Prove that tan inverse of m by n minus tan inverse of m minus n divided by m plus n equal to pi by 4. Very important problem. Very important question. Solution. First you consider the LHS. What's LHS? Tan inverse of m by n minus tan inverse of m minus n divided by m plus n. What's the formula for tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b? You have learned the formula. Otherwise tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So I'm not going to write the formula again. You know already. Tan inverse of x minus y. Is it right? So in the place of x, m minus n divided by m plus n divided by 1 plus m by n into m minus n divided by m plus n. Okay, that's equal to tan inverse of, what's the LCM in the numerator? N into m plus n. Now multiply m into m plus n minus m minus n into, do it very carefully, into n. Okay, then divided by 1 plus, multiply this two first. So m into m minus n divided by n into m plus n. Okay, then so numerator you multiply inside. So when you are multiplying, so how much you will get? M square plus mn minus mn plus n square divided by n into m plus n. Then same as in denominator. So outside tan inverse. Denominator, then in this denominator n into m plus n. Okay, so in numerator what will happen? For 1 you need to take the LCM. So n into m plus n plus m into m minus n. Okay, so these two terms will get cancelled, correct? Will get cancelled. This two will get cancelled. So tan inverse of, what's the balance? M square plus n square divided by n into m plus n plus m into m minus n. Okay, so that is tan inverse of m square plus n square divided by nm plus n square plus m square minus mn. So this also will get cancelled. So tan inverse of m square plus n square divided by n square plus m square, both are same. Okay, so it will get cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 1. So in which angle it is tan inverse? Tan as 1 45 degrees. So you will write as tan of pi by 4. So that's equal to RHS. Understand? Very easy, but it is a very important 3 marks. Sometimes they will ask in 5 mark also. So go through that and learn it very thoroughly. The thing is very easy. Okay, already we have learned the formulas and that. So we are using that. Okay. The next one. Problem number 9. Show that sine inverse of minus 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of minus 8 by 17 equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Solution. LHS. What's LHS? Sine inverse of minus 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of minus 8 by 17. Okay, so sine is an odd function or even function? Sine is an odd function. Okay, so sine of minus means you will get as, okay, it will change the minus symbol. So sine inverse of 3 by 5, we will take this minus symbol here. Okay, so sine of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 8 by 17. The reason is sine is an odd function. Okay, odd function. Then sine inverse of, you change this to this side. So 8 by 17 minus sine inverse of 3 by 5. Okay. So it's an odd function. So only I have changed the symbol and all. Okay. So that only keep it in mind. Now Take now let and find out the value. Let sine inverse of 8 by 17. You consider as A, same as previous problem. So sine A is equal to what's the value? 8 by 17. From this find out the cos A value. Consider on right angle triangle. Here it is A, it is 8 by 17. Find out root of 17 square minus 8 square. That's equal to 289 minus 64. So from this, if you are finding means, you will get the answer. Okay. Sorry, 17 square is equal. So 15 to 25. So that's equal to 15. Okay. So what's the value for cos A? 15 by 17. Correct? Then next one. Sine inverse of 3 by 5 you take as B. So what's the sine B value? 3 by 5. Correct? So from this find out cos B. Consider on right triangle. Here it is B. So it is 3 by 5 means root of 5 square minus 3 square. So 25 minus 3 square. So if you need, you can write down 25 square minus 3 square. That's equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So 25 minus 9. That's equal to root of 16. That's equal to 4. So 4 by 5 is cos B value. So now you consider the formula for cos of A minus B. Minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Substitute 15 by 17 into 4 by 5 plus 8 by 17 into 5. Sorry, into 3 by 5. So that's equal to 60 by 85 plus 24 by 85. So that's equal to how much you will get? 84 by 85. Correct? Now, cos of A minus B is equal to how much you get, ma? 84 by 85. Is it right? So, from this you take this side. So, what will happen? A minus B is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Correct? Now, sine inverse of, come to the question, 8 by 17 minus sine inverse of 3 by 5. What's the value? Cos inverse of 84 by 85. Same as that, if you are reversing this, sine inverse of minus 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of minus 8 by 70. Both also cos inverse of 84 by 85. So, hence, understand? So, it is cos of A minus B. Is it right? So, A minus B is equal to, correct? Now, I am considering this reverse part. So, that is cosine of A minus B. This also minus A by B, same as in question. So, like this, when you are taking also, same answer only you will get. Understand, students? Okay. So, last problem in this exercise. So, if we completed this 10th problem, this exercise will be over. Same as that, the unit will be over. So, in our next class, we are going to start our next chapter. Okay. Problem number 10. Express tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x, comma, minus pi by 2 less than x less than given tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. So, tan inverse of cos x divided by, is it right? Cos can be written as in sin. So, how will you write? Sin 90 minus theta. Correct? Have you remember? Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So, cos x can be written as sin 90 minus theta. 90 is same as pi by 2. Then same as that, 1 minus sin can be written as cos of 90 minus theta is a pi. 90 minus theta. Okay, that's equal to tan inverse of okay, here we are going to use two formulas, children. That is sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Remember this formula already you have learned. Sin square theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, is it right? So same as that, sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Same as that, 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square theta. Okay, so we are going to use this formulas here. So when you are applying, what will happen? 2 sin theta, so 2 sin theta by 2, is it right? So theta by 2 means pi by 4 theta by 2, is it right? So pi by 2 by 2, so pi by 4 you will get, correct? Pi by 4 minus here also x by 2 you will get, same as that cos. So cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. Have you understand how you got this? So theta by 2. So this one fully consider as theta. So pi by 2 minus x divided by theta. Like this you need to consider. So theta, correct? So theta, what's the value again here? It is 2, is it right? Sorry, theta by 2. So this 2 you need to multiply. So pi by 4 x by 2. So like this we will get this. So divided by. So 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square. Sorry. 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is this formula. So 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. So here also theta by 2. So how same as that, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Understand? Equal to tan inverse of sin, is it right? So what you will get here? Cos by sin. So this will get cancelled. Here one term it will get cancelled. So cos by sin will be there. Correct? Cos by sin. So what's the balance? Cot of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Have you understand? So this term and this term will get cancelled. Here the square term alone it will be cancelled. So cos by sin is cot. So same as that, tan inverse of cot can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. Correct? Tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. So pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. 90 minus theta. Cot can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. So that's equal to tan inverse of tan. Now bring this to inside. X by 2. So that's equal to tan inverse of tan of. So if we take the LCM to this 2, what will happen? 2 is the LCM, correct? Sorry, 4 is the LCM. So how much will get? 2 pi minus pi plus x by 2. So tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2, correct? So what's the simplest form? Tan inverse of tan. Tan inverse of tan means what's the meaning? 1 by tan into tan. That's the meaning of tan inverse. So inverse means 1 by tan, that's all. So this can be equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2 is the simplest form. Understand, students? That's all. I will repeat it again. Somewhat small difficulties are there. So this one given. So next you write is 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Use these two formulas here. So here cos by sin means cot. Cot can be written as tan of 90 minus theta. Bring it inside. Take the LCM for this 2. So tan inverse of tan means it will be get cancelled. So tan inverse of tan means 1 by tan into tan. So it will get cancelled. So pi by 4 plus x by 2 is the simplest form. Okay students, I hope you got it. So our 4th chapter is to be over. So one word answers you mark it. Afterwards we will discuss the one words. So chapter 4 over, we not omitted anything. So when you are getting time, please try the miscellaneous problems also. Don't forget, do all the problems. We won't repeat it again. So please take down everything to your classwork and go through that and learn it thoroughly. So 4th chapter is to be over. 5th chapter is a differential calculus. till now you have not heard this word differential calculus, it's new for you. So in our next class we will start the fifth chapter, differential calculus. Okay students, that's the simplest chapter, but problems are all very very small problems, but unit is somewhat big. That is, I think nearly 9 to 10 exercises are there. Okay, so there we are going to learn about something differently. So be ready for that. Before that, complete this class or kind of. Okay, so next class we will start the differential calculus. Okay students, be safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.